Mechatronics, your smart factory total solution. Introducing the Cubicon MAX600, South Korea's powerhouse in industrial 3D printing, developed and manufactured right here at home. The MAX600 isn't just about printing, it's about precision. With advanced SLA technology, this printer delivers incredibly detailed results, capturing even the finest details down to 0.5 millimeter with pinpoint accuracy. Plus, its automatic adjustments mean top-quality prints every time, hassle-free. But that's just the beginning. Our specially designed auto-collimator system keeps everything perfectly aligned, ensuring smooth, consistent layers for flawless prints. Whether you're working with ABS-like, heat-resistant, or transparent materials, the MAX600 handles it all, turning your ideas into reality, just the way you imagined. Speed matters too. That's why the MAX600 features a dynamic laser spot size system. It switches from ultra-fine 80 microns for detailed surfaces to 700 microns for fast, efficient printing. Imagine cutting your print time by up to 4.5 times while maintaining quality. With one of the largest build volumes in its class, 600 by 600 by 400 millimeters, you have the freedom to create big. And with a robust, vibration-resistant design, every print is rock solid, no matter what's going on around it. From start to finish, the MAX600 is your all-in-one solution for industrial 3D printing. Plus, it's fully compatible with Magic software, making your workflow as seamless as possible. Discover the possibilities with the MAX600. TPC Mechatronics, advancing industries together. Learn more at tpcpage.co.kr.